Good morning, students. Well, this is Vikash Upadhyay, your general knowledge teacher. Students, in our previous classes, digital classes, we studied about new wonders of the world, religious, which is followed by different people all over the world, and also the eminent personality of all over the world. Students, in all these chapters, I give you little bit information about all the particular things which I think it's not enough if you are going to study all the particular person, particular religious, particular wonders. There is a different or very big or wide information into the particular person. If you're talking about eminent personality, Bill Gates, I'm giving you such information about him, but this is not a complete information about him. If I'm talking about new wonders, Taj Mahal, I give you little bit information about Taj Mahal, I thought, but it is not full or complete information about if I am talking about in terms of Taj Mahal. And then I talk about religious and the oldest religious and talk to you and told to you Hinduism. Students, I know that this is not a particular full information which I have given to you from my side. So, and I told you also that this is not a very small subject which you have little information given to you. This is a complete information. So now, moving towards our next chapter, or you can say the next or least particular chapter from your particular unit. So, I will teach you in this video about world civilization and also the linguistic world. Okay? So now, civilization is a complex human society usually made up of different cities with certain characteristic of cultural and technological development. In many parts of the world, early civilizations formed when people began coming together in urban settlement. However, defining what civilization is and what societies fall under that designation. It is a hotly contested argument even among today's anthropologists. Students, the word civilization relate with word civitas, which is a Latin word, which is comes from the word civitas, Latin. This is why, or that is why, the most basic definition of the word civilization is a society made up of cities. The civilization made up of cities. But early in the development of the term, anthropologists and other used civilization and civilized society. Students, civilized society differentiate between societies they found culturally superior, which they were often a part, and those they found on culturally interior, which they refer to as savages or barbaric culture. The term civilization was often applied is an anthrocentric way. The civilization being considered morally good and culturally advanced, and other societies being morally wrong and backward. So students, there are many societies that scholars consider civilization that do not meet all of the criteria which is provided information in our previous work. Example, if I am talking about the Incan Empire, was a large civilization with government and social hierarchy. It left behind a wealth of art and had highly developed architecture but no written language. They developed many little architecture and also language. This is why the concept of civilization is hard to define. It is still a helpful framework with which to view how humans come together and form a society. Students, in this chapter, World Civilization, I'm telling you the different civilization in short view. First, we talk about Incas, INCAS. Students, they practice every style of handwriting. They practice every style of handwriting. Incas civilization people try to practice every handwriting. They made an incredible road system and artistic poetry. Also knew the process of smelting and the casting metals. Students, that is why they could make different type of instruments like trumpet, bells, etc. using brass or stone. If in the sequence of civilization, second civilization is Roman civilization. Students, they were master in civil engineering. And they improved the primitive canals for irrigation and water transport. They developed and improved the primitive canals for irrigation and water transport. They also built structures like Pantheon, Colosseum, etc. They first began building with concrete over 2100 years ago and used it build bridge, monument, etc. Mean to say that they are the first person the first civilization who developed the canal method for the irrigation, and that their time the monument were starting in the sequence of civilization. Next one is Persian civilization. Students, Persian civilization was the first civilization to introduce the exchange of goods for coinage and develop from a barter economy. I know you don't know what is the barter economy. The people in this economy, people need, if they need any kind of particular thing, they can bargain with another person. Example, if I need 1 kg wheat, I'm looking the person, and I have a wheat, I want a rice, then I am looking a person who need a rice instead of wheat. This is known as the barter economy, which is first introduced by the Persian civilization. Okay, a postal service was also introduced by them. Next is Aztecs, AZTECS. They were accomplished artists and architects. They made beautiful items from gold, feather and other natural material. They made beautiful items from gold, feather and other material, natural material which is found from earth crust. Also design and build the extraordinary capital city, which is nowadays known as causeways, CAUSEWAYS, canal, avenues, aqueducts, etc. These people valued words and language and become excellent speakers and poet. They know exact language, that is why they become the great poet and also speakers. Next one is Greek civilization. Students, in Greek civilization they developed the first world democracy, invented the rules of geometry, developed the art of philosophy, created outstanding literature and poetry, and they wrote the first historic created an ancient Olympic. The Olympic which held or happen in our upcoming years. This Olympic Games started by Greek civilization. In the sequence of civilization, next one is Chinese. Everyone hear the word Chinese or China. Students, they invented iron plow and wheelbarrow. They improved farming, increased food production. They improved the farming for increasing the food production. They also invented gunpowder, compass, seismograph, crossbow, kite, syrup, and also paper making, umbrella. They all particular things, silk making and steel also by the Chinese people. Next one is Egyptian. Students, Egyptians are a created a solar calendar. They also made underground reservoirs that held fresh water safely in the times of drought, Sukha. They introduced a system of writing hieroglyphics. They built pyramids, palaces and temples. That is why you always seen the pyramid not anywhere in the world, only Egypt. Students, next one is Mayan, M-A-Y-A-N, Mayan. They also create a calendar based on farming season. Mayan civilization also create a calendar which is from for the farming season. They made timekeeping and shadow clock, flat roofed homes, pyramid, papyrus, metal weight, etc. And the last one from this particular chapter, which is known as World Civilization, is Indus Valley Civilization. Indus Valley Civilization. Students, in Indus Valley Civilization, this is among the first civilization to develop a system of uniform weight and measures, incorporated urban sanitation, not a sanitization system. They made terracotta and bronze human and animal figurines and also had a script inscribed on scale. Students, next chapter of your GK from the unit The World Around Us is Lingual World. The lingual world. The lingual world. So students, what is the meaning of lingual? Lingual is the language or is a method of human communication. It consists of words either in spoken or written. People using communication between each other with the help of spoken and written form. So, all over the world, language differ from city to city, state to state, and also country to country. I hope you all know about it. Okay? So first, lingual or communication language between people is Sanskrit. Sanskrit. Student, this is the language which is considered the language of God. Language of God. This particular language known as the God language by the Hindus. It is followed by Hindu. This language followed by Hindu. And I also told you about Hinduism is the very oldest religion in the world. It was brought to India by the Aryans around 400 years ago. It is found by Aryan about 400 years ago. This language found by Aryans about 400 years ago. Next one is Devanagari. Second one is Devanagari. Students, Hindi is written in Devanagari. Next one is sign language. The people who are not going to speak, they are used to speak with their sign language. So that is why sign language known as the method of communication by using sign. Next one is hieroglyphics. This is the language spoken by ancient Egyptian in Egypt, used as a system of picture writing, which is called hieroglyphics. Another one is Sumerian. So students, Sumerian considered as the first written language, not a speaking language. Sumerian considered as the first written language. If we talk about another linguistic language known as dialects. Students, every language has several spoken forms. You can say the spoken forms within different languages known as dialects. Next one is Mandarin. I hope you all know about where this language is spoken. Mandarin is the most widely spoken language in the world because this language is spoken in China. Students, and I hope you know that China is the largest country in the term of population. That is why the Mandarin language considered as the most speaking language in the world. Next one is Chinese. Chinese language does not use alphabet to make words. Instead, they use picture, symbol or character. Means to say that Chinese language have no alphabetical words, so they can make the particular sentence or language. Students, in the term of linguistic language, last one is Avdi. Avdi is speaking in Awadh, Bhojpuri, Brij, Komani and Haryanvi. These all are the dialects of Chinese language. That's all from your unit, which is known as the world around us, and this is the last chapter from this unit, the lingual world. After this, here is the quiz time chapter, which is known as by the so quiz time. You can read it and fill it with your sense. And here is another exercise in the lingual world is match the countries with their respective official language. So students, in Netherlands, the language speaking is Dutch. Language speaking is Dutch. If I am talking about Bangladesh, speaking Bangla. Bhutan speaking in Jonkha. Colombia speaking in Burmese. Egypt speaking in Arabic. Israel speaking in Hebrew, and Myanmar is Burmese also, and last one is Sri Lanka, which is there speaking in Sinhala. That's all about from this unit and this chapter. If you have any kind of query and question, put in the message on school apps. I will respond on it. Thank you. Have a nice day.